So Crown Ceram is a full-service dental lab that was established 35 years ago. We basically do all kinds of crowns and bridges and removables in our dental lab. Today we have a facility that is over 2,000 square meters and we have over 70 people working with us. The main reason for us to be innovative is to fulfill our customers with quality and precision dental parts. In order to stick to our market, we decided to go fully digital in our dental lab. That's why we accept now digital impressions, and that all our production has been moved from a traditional plaster into a full digital 3D printing model. We are working exclusively with 3Shape for all our CAD/CAM designs. We did dozens and dozens of tests with different manufacturers of 3D printers. We finally decided after all those tests to go with Prodways because we believe they just have the best quality, the best accuracy, and the best reliability on the market. Besides those points, there was something very important in nowadays market, and it's productivity. Before, we were handling 10 different small machines. We had one technician going back and forth on those 10 machines, feeding them, unfeeding them, which was very time-consuming. With the LD10 today, we have a much bigger platform, and we finally see that we can produce more model in the same building time as with the small machines we had before. After a few months using the LD10 machines in our production, we can definitely say that accuracy is a key point on those ones. We make a lot of tests, a lot of scanning to see if the accuracy is there, and definitely it outcomes all the majority of the printers on the market. 3D printing is definitely more predictable than any other solution on the market. Reliability was very important to us, and not only we found a very reliable printer with the Prodways machine, but we also found an exceptional team that was really dedicated to help us in the initial steps and develop a workflow that was specifically made for our line of products. Crown Ceram is always seeking for the best partners. This is why we think that the choice we made with Prodways is just awesome for our company. Our customers are really happy, and we tend to help our customers develop in this digital workflow. So I think the future is very exciting.